Today I'm replacing the AC compressor on a 2011 Volkswagen GTI. First step, evac. I'm going to pull all the Freon out, so I'm doing that now. Next step, you're going to want to pull the drive belt off. I already did it. It's very easy on this car. You just use a 18mm wrench and you turn on the tensioner. Just turn it clockwise and the belt just comes right off. Then you want to disconnect the lines off the AC compressor. Do it all from the top. I like to use a T45 with a 3/8 extension, a long extension, and a swivel. You have to do the front one first. This line here, sorry it's hard to see, the forwardmost AC line, and then after you can pull that out of the way, then you can get to the rear one. So get those both loose and then you're ready to lift the car up. Alright, now after removing the belly pan, the AC compressor is right here. It's actually pretty easy job. You just disconnect the little control solenoid from the back of the compressor right here. You just unplug that and kind of push it out of the way. And then there's just three screws. So you just need a 13mm socket and a 3/8 drive ratchet, a deep socket for the back, regular socket for the front, and then you can pull these 3 screws out and drop it right out of here. So that's what I'm going to do now. Alright, now with the AC compressor out, I had to leave all these screws in place and just pull them loose and just leave them in the compressor because it's too tight with the fan. So you just drop it down like this, it's not a big deal. But what you want to do is make sure that all of your alignment dowels, like this right here, is transferred over into your to your AC bracket here. You can see this one came out with the compressor and that one's still up there. You want to make sure they're on the same side so so it's aligned correctly. If you ignore this, you can get weird belt squeaks and all kinds of issues. It's just put the dowel pin back in place. Once you make sure you have the correct capacity of PEG oil back in your compressor, you want to just reinstall it the same way through the bottom. Tighten up all 3 screws. Put the screws into the AC compressor like this first, and then shove it up into place. And then with the new compressor, make sure there's oil in it, and tighten it all down, and evac and recharge. So pretty straightforward job. Thanks.